And you're like,
Can I get something from my room?
no, afterwards, okay? Play
A coffee? Hey Danielle, what's
Hi,
up?
Danielle. Nice to meet you.
Are y'all having fun? Mm-hmm. So far? Yeah. You got to school for the summer? How does that feel? That's awesome.
You're playing outside, or is it just too hot?
We've actually been traveling, and this is like our first week home.
Oh, that's like...
Okay, it's OutDaughtered Day. It's also Taco Tuesday, bringing it back like we used to do years ago. Taco Tuesday, OutDaughtered Day. Kids are swimming. Kids are cold in this house, which they're never. I think it's weird how people are in blankets in my house because it's always hot. So, in less than an hour, the new episode comes on, the fashion show. Look, there's the preview. So, watch with us. We were watching the beginning of tonight's episode, and ooh, remember that noise all the time? You remember those days, babe? Oh, believe me, I know.
I still miss those days.
I do too, our sweet babies. It feels like yesterday, but man, it was a long time ago. But when they would all cry, yeah, it was loud. And they put their shoes in the basket. Wow, babe, that was a great dad joke. Bad boy. So when I got back from Dallas, and Adam had his yes day, and I was like, what'd y'all do? And all I heard was, Daddy kissed a bunch of animals. I was like, oh, okay. Daddy kissed a bunch of animals.
It all started with that kissing booth at the petting zoo.
That bad goat.
Here, Hayes. You gonna get kissed by an old goat? Oh, you smell like a goat.
What's up?
Hello.
What's today? Tuesday, which is OutDaughtered Day. You know what episode comes on tonight, Riley? The episode where your cousins and Blake, you'll all stay together while we take Aunt Lily and Kiki.
I remember that.
It's a funny one. It's a first time of the big kids watching the little kids, and it's a pretty good episode. So hope you watch tonight. TLC OutDaughtered. You can stream on Max. It comes on at 9/8 Central. And a lot of people have been asking about the girls' NICU shirts, and so actually Riley has it on today. These are actually still purchasable on graceandb.com. If you click on gifts, there's a tab, NICU collection, and so you can see all those items there. So anyways, hope y'all stay tuned and watch tonight with us.